Hi everyone, it's me, Kong. Thanks for watching my tutorial today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a waterfall card, and it's so easy to do. You're going to need some paper. I recommend you to use paper from a sketchbook because this paper is quite thick and strong. Double-sided tape and an aluminum ruler. The main outer card is 29 by 11 centimeters. This part will hold all pieces together. These two pieces of white card here are measured at 13 by 10 centimeters. I use them to decorate the back and the front of the main card. Because I don't have a corner punch, so I use one end of a ruler to make 4 rounded corners for each paper. To decorate the back and the front of the main outer card, I'm gonna draw some cute characters like bees, envelopes, and some balloons. You can use a pencil to sketch your own characters and then use a black pen for inking. Once you've done with your cute characters, just cut them up and glue them on the back and the front of the card. You can draw some more details on the blank area like grass and flowers. Then for the waterfall pieces, you're gonna need 5 pieces of colored paper. These are 10 by 10 centimeters, and 5 pieces of the white ones are 9 by 9 centimeters. With each white card, I'm gonna draw a cute couple because this card is for Valentine Day. Actually, I'm making this card for my first love, which I was expecting for a happy ending. Then you need a mechanism piece of card. This is 26 by 6 centimeters. Just fold it in half and draw 4 lines with a distance of 1 centimeter from each line. Once you've done that, fold the card along the lines, and this will be the mechanism that all the waterfall pieces are gonna stick on. This blue piece will reinforce the back of the mechanism and give you a stronger movement. As you pull the bottom piece, it will roll along and flicking all of the cards. I'm gonna use some double-sided tape and glue it on the back of the mechanism piece to make a ribbon.